Hello everyone. I hope you are having a great day. It's Ravi Vanukuru and welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about image editing tool called Photopea.com. It is an online tool. We can use it for free. Using this tool we can create new web designs or any graphic designing related artworks. Okay, let's go and check it out how we can create a new designs. Here, when you open this URL in your browser, it will give you this kind of window. In this window, you can see that you can edit Photoshop files, XD files, sketch files, etc. If you have one, you can open that using Open from Computer option. If you don't have the existing files, you can create a new project, right? You just click on the new project. It is providing a lot more features, like you can change project name, project width and project height. Also you have a lot of options to choose your document sizes. That means you can enter your custom values here, or you can choose already defined custom templates. Like if you are creating a banner for your YouTube cover page, you can choose this one. In the same manner, this tool is providing lot of options and predefined sizes for your requirement. You can choose from this according to your requirement. Okay, now, and apart from this, you have here already defined custom templates. See how many templates we have. If you wanted to edit one of if you wanted to use from these templates, you can use them for free, right? Let's say I wanted to create some kind of design like this. You just click on the document. Now you will have a same template in your window. See, this window is very similar to Photoshop. Also, whatever the tools and options we have in a Photoshop, all the tools and all the options we have available in these tools. Okay, you have a layers palette, you have actions, filters, everything same as Photoshop, right? If you want, you can choose other palettes also, like brushes, paragraph, actions, properties, swatches, whatever you want. Okay, and let's say for example I wanted to create a small copy of this bird. You can select that bird group and click the Alt button on your keyboard and drag it. See, now you have a copy of the group, right? And you can transform that to your required sizes. See, now I'm selecting text tool. I can edit this text, right? Again, right. See, now I have created some custom design. Then how we can save our document in my local system? This is what the major question, right? So go to file, save as PSD. When you click on that save as PSD button, it will give you .psd file. You can keep it with you, right? Or if you wanted to create other file formats like JPG, PNG, etc., you can go to file, export as JPG, right? You can click on this document I mean, you can click on that option. It will ask you the quality levels and width and heights. No need to change all these things. You just click on save. See, now you will have a JPG file. Okay. Also, we have a very similar menu to our Photoshop, right? You can use filters and layer options, image options. All the options are very similar to Photoshop only. Yes, and these many tools we are using for free. Using this online tool, we can create our designs on the go. I am hoping that you have learned some information from this video. If you like this information, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.